Hey guys, good Tuesday morning to you. This is just a reminder that today is the last day that we will be in our hybrid schedule. As such, we are continuing on with what we started yesterday. As you know, yesterday we began activity 10, animal behavior. Everything for this particular activity is contained in the slideshow. I know that some of you are having problems accessing the slideshow via our website. I have opened all share settings, and so I believe that what needs to happen is you need to shut down your computers and restart them. Some of you are not shutting down your computers on a regular basis, and as we have updates and add things, you're not getting those because your computer is not fully shutting down. So that being said, I did in fact attach the slideshow to yesterday's agenda. So if you look at the daily announcement for Monday, November 16th, you will see that the activity is actually right here. So you could access it there if you couldn't gain access via the website. That being said, you're going to pick up today where you left off yesterday. So find your copy in your Google Drive of Activity 10, Animal Behavior, and I want you to pick up where you left off. Most of you should be beginning step number 3 on the things to do list found on slide number 2. As soon as you finish this information, then I want you to move on. So as a reminder, when we take a look at slide 2, okay, you'll notice that you are choosing one of the 4 investigations. You can choose between the long-tailed widowbird, you can choose between egg color, the deer antlers, and the meerkats. It is simply your decision, but I encourage you to choose the one that you feel most comfortable with and that you understand the data for. Once you have made your decision, please reread your investigation and begin your analyzation of the data. I want you to pay very close attention to the graph that is found in your investigation. And if you're unsure exactly what the graph is showing, I encourage you to watch one of the tutorials or even all of them to help you better understand what's happening in each of these graphs. Okay. You are responsible for completing all of the slides in this presentation. Remember that I am grading your presentation for creativity as well. So you are more than welcome to change the theme. You are welcome to change the layout, the backgrounds, the colors. You could add animations, transitions, etc. That's all up to you. The only thing is that you must include the information that is asked for on each slide. Please don't forget to refer to the rubric for how, in fact, you will be graded. Remember, this is a 100-point project, and it is due next Tuesday, which is November the 24th at 3 o'clock, okay? No later than Tuesday at 3 o'clock. And then that gives you the holiday weekend off, right? So actually the work begins once you have made your decision on slide 5. You will need to complete all of the slides through slide number 12, making sure that you answer each and every part of each question, that you insert the information that needs to be inserted in each slide. I hope that you find this information to be helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I do want to remind you that tomorrow we start our virtual schedule. As such, since it is a Wednesday, tomorrow I will be meeting with periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then on Thursday, I'll be meeting with periods 2, 4, 6, and homeroom. The times that those meetings are going to commence are listed here in the middle, and you should have begun filling out your Google Meet link form here on your virtual daily schedule yesterday. If you've not yet done that, I'm thinking that your teachers will be going through that with you today. But please remember that the requirement is that you log on and attend Google Meets for your classes at these specific times. If you are in the transition classes, which at one time were Ms. Conley Shannon's, I will be sending you links to those Google Meets because you will in fact be joining my classes 4th and 5th hours. So that being said, the last thing I want to remind you of is that Fridays are a little different. On Fridays, there are no Google Meets, but you will have formative assessments, which are kind of like Google Forms or short questions and answers, things like that, for all 8 of your classes. And those assignments must be submitted prior to 2:30 on Friday. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you in class, if not sooner, at the Google Meets. Take care. Bye-bye.